Totoo ba itong 1+1 raffle draw ni Pag-ibig Fan? First prize, 500,000. Second prize, 250,000. Third prize, 100,000. Answer, yes po, totoo po ito. Nabasa natin ito sa Facebook page ni Pag-ibig Fan. Ito po, 1+1 raffle promo or 1+1. Ibig sabihin, friends, magpa-member po tayo sa Pag-ibig Fan and become Pag-ibig Fan influencer. So once na new member na po tayo, once na member na po tayo, mag-convince po tayo ng isang tao na family member ba natin, friends ba natin, relatives ba natin, to become a new Pag-ibig member also. So as a result, dalawa na kayo na member ni Pag-ibig Fan. Ikaw as Pag-ibig Fan influencer and yung isa as Pag-ibig Fan member. So ngayon, ang raffle draw, pag mabunot yung name ng na-convince po ninyo na new member, automatic po yan. Siya yung makareceive ng first prize. 500,000 po yung ma-receive niya. As well as, ikaw as Pag-ibig Fan influencer, 500,000 din sa'yo. If mabunot yung name ng nakuha mo na new member sa grand raffle draw na first prize. Kung second prize naman, 250,000 yung ma-receive ng new member po ninyo or plus one. Kung third prize naman, 100,000. Ayan po. So dapat magpa-member na kayo as early as now up to November 2025 po ang deadline yan or katapusan ng promo ni Pag-ibig Fan. For more details and tanong regarding this, punta kayo sa nearest Pag-ibig Fan na branches nila. Alright? 2 thumbs up, Pag-ibig Fan. Maganda po itong paraffle ninyo. May chance po na manalo ang new member ng Pag-ibig Fan ng 500,000, 250,000, and 100,000 sa grand raffle draw ninyo. I believe January 2026 po. Alright, so please like, share this video, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you, God bless, and 2 thumbs up.